This is the A minor 7 chord. Hello, Tom Fontana here from TheGuitarLesson.com to teach you the A minor 7 chord. Now the fingering for this chord is pretty simple. We'll just be using our second finger on the second fret of the D string, and our first finger will go to the first fret of the B string. We'll strum strings 1 through 5, so from the A string down. And as always, make sure that there's none of the strings are buzzing, you don't have any deadened notes. And if you hear any string buzz or muted notes, just make sure your fingers are arched up nicely, so they're not laying flat down, they're arched, and that they're as close to the metal fret as possible, so they're not back here, they're here, all the way up to the metal fret, and none of your fingers are touching any of the adjacent strings, because that would just mute them. And let's use the chord on, chord off technique to burn this shape into our hands muscle memory. So we'll form the chord, strum the strings, take the chord off, wiggle our fingers a bit, and back. So chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on. And try to do it without looking at it. This might take a bit of time, of course, but you'll get there. All right, good job. Now let's make some music with the A minor 7. So we'll play the 1-4-5 chord progression, the classic 1-4-5 chord progression, and we're in the key of A minor. So our 1 chord will be the A minor 7, of course. Our 4 chord will be the D minor 7. And our 5 chord will be the E minor 7. And the strumming pattern will be the classic down, down, up, up, down, up. Now let's have a look at the chord progression. So that's how you play the A minor 7 chord.